Doing? Well, who's got a fire hydrant?
Well, what the heck does the balloon say?
No way! You're gonna be a granddad!
You're gonna be a grandma.
It's the same thing to me. I didn't know. I was thinking, well, whose birthday is it?
I'm very excited. I'm also very tired. I'm like, what is it? I'm like, there's a fire hydrant. Is that for Rosie? You know, man, so stupid. I don't even look up. How excited. So he lied. He ain't done nothing to that.
No, I ain't lying.
You didn't lie? You didn't?
No, I lied. Yeah, I didn't do it. And so we caught all of it. You're on camera too.
You're
gonna be a granddad, Papa.
All right, how about that?
excited! Oh my goodness! Did we get to tell people?
No, 4 more weeks, then you can tell everybody.
Yeah, because it'll be 7 weeks on Sunday.
7 weeks on
so we're
Tuesday.
waiting.
Oh, it's Saturday. That's right.
So do we still want this one recorded?
Oh no, we can. All right, they know now.
That's okay. We have